Welcome. Now we practice that cha line. First cha as a chai. First cha as a chai. We practice first in the two line sheet. So middle of the two lines, we put the sleeping lines and you go straight and come downs. First cha. Sleeping lines without touch the first lines and you come downs. First cha, cha as a chai. Now practice the same one in a 4 line sheet. First cha, you write the sleeping line on the second lines and curved on the third lines. Go straight and come down through the third lines. Cha, cha as a chai. Second lines sleeping and you go straight and come down. First cha. Now come to the second cha. Cha is a chart. Icha. Practice first in the two ruled. So cursive E shaped without curved. Downside curved. Second cha. Cha is a chart. Now practice on the four ruled sheet. First two lines you curve, make a one small curve. Next second and third lines you make one more curve and upside. First red line and blue lines one curve. Second and third lines one curve and upside. Cha. Cha is a chai. Now third ja. Ja is a jug. Jug. Ja. So practice two line sheet. The middles you put the write the U. Middle you write the U and then you go straight. Sleeping lines go up and down. Middle you write a U, go up and downs. Like that the gap should be there, not like that. The gap should be there and that U and this one also be in a straight. So middle of the two lines put the U without touch the second lines, go up and downs, put the sleeping lines upside. These lines don't touch the sleeping line of the middle. So G, third ja, ja as a jug. Now practice in the four ruled sheet. Second and third lines. Touch and write a U, go straight, go up and down. First three lines only. Second and third line touched, you write a one U, go straight, come down. Ja is a jug. Now fourth ja, ja is a jump. We first practice in the two line sheet. We already know the E, vowel short E. So small line and E. In this is curved S. Make a one curve, come straight. Fourth ja, ja is a jump. Ja is a jump. Once again I am writing here. One small straight lines and E. From here you make a one curve, come down straightly. Now practice in the four line sheet. First two lines touch the straight lines, touch first two lines and then S. In the middle of the S, make one curve and come straightly. Fourth ja, ja is a jump and then nya. Now we'll write the cha lines. Cha line. First cha. In the middle of the two lines, write the sleeping lines and you go up and down. First cha is a chai. Single curve, touch the first lines. The second curve, touch the second lines. Cha as a chart. Icha. Third ja as a jug. In the middles you write the U without touch that to both lines up and downs. And fourth ja as a jump. Small straight line and a yes. From the middle of the yes, you curve and come straight. And one small C shape. And then curve and right. It's a nya. Now we practice 4-line sheet. Once we'll write cha lines. First cha, slipping line in the second line. And then you go up and down. Second cha, first 2 lines touch one curve, second 2 line touch one curve and go up. Chart, cha. Third cha, first line below you write a U, one slipping lines go up and down. Jug, ja. Fourth ja, small straight line touch the first 2 lines and yes. In the middle of the yes, you make a one curve and come straightly. Ja is a jump. Now last letters, middle of the first 2 lines and third lines and curve touch the second lines. And there you make one curve up and downs. Nya. I hope you maybe understand and practice well for these 2 lines. Cup, cut, got, guard. Ka, ka, g, g. Chai, chart, jug, jump. Cha, cha, ja, ja. Thank you very much.